Soцтармактар. Today we are going to talk about social medias. But before we start talking, let's do a little quiz. Мен кичинекей бир оюн даярдап койгом, ошону өтөйлү. Бир-бирден жооп берсеңиздер болот. Ушул жактан азыр жаңы келгендердин баардыгына салам. Мындан ары Talking клубтарды мен алып барып баштаймын. Менин атым Нурайым. Баарыңыздар менен таанышканыма кубанычтамын. Келиңиздер баштайлы анда. First question is which social media platform is known for short videos and trends? Деген суроо. Ким жооп бергиси келет? Микрофонду болот.
TikTok.
Yes, you are right. It's TikTok. Next one. Guess the logo.
And also Instagram.
Yes, but TikTok is known like Instagram. That's video versions. Yes, Twitter. You are right. Next, also guess the logo. This is Twitter. Next one.
TikTok.
Yes, this is TikTok. And next one. This is red. And
Pinterest.
You all know this. Okay, next one.
Snapchat.
Yeah, you are right again. Бұл Snapchat. Şu менен кичинекей оюнубуз бүттү. Катышканыңыздарга рахмат. Азыр биздин суроолор башталат. Бул жерден биз how much do you spend online деген тема суроого жооп берели. Ар бириңиздер жооп берсеңиздер болот. Микрофонду даяр болгондо кошуп бир-бирден жооп берип көрсөк болот. Yeah. And бул жерде бош орундуктарды толтурабыз да. Ошондо I usually spend about 4 hours online every day, mostly for work and studying or for social media and gaming. Деп жооп берсек болот. Жаңы келгендер көмөктөрсөңүздөр болот. Суроого жооп берсеңиздер.
Hi everybody, my name is Gulnur. I usually spend about studying hours online every day, mostly for social media and chatting.
Chatting. Okay. Which social medias are you using? Okay, next one. Who wants to answer? Yes, of course.
I usually spend about studying hours online every day, mostly for watching videos and chatting.
Атыңыз ким болот? Таанышып кетели. What is your name?
My name is Eliza.
Eliza. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can I say?
Yes, of course.
Hello everyone. I usually spend about studying hours online every day, mostly for social media and watching videos.
Okay. For like, I usually spend about 4 hours. Бул жерге цифралар коесуздар, ошондо канча саат колдонуп отурганыңыздарды. For example, I usually spend about, өзүм жөнүндө айтсам, I usually spend around 6 hours online every day. Yes, I know it's a lot, but I'm trying to like reduce it. And mostly I use mostly for gaming, social medias, and also studying and work. I'm doing everything like in on my phone. So
Okay, thank you.
yes.
I usually spend about 6 hours online every day, mostly for social media, and watching series.
Oh, good.
May I say?
What was your name? I'm sorry.
My name is Jamal.
Your name is Jamal. Okay, nice to meet you, Jamal.
I usually spend about 24 hours online every day, mostly for chatting, gaming, working. But I am mom.
You okay? You are spending 24 hours online every day? Really?
24.
Aren't you sleeping, or aren't you like eating or doing anything else? 24 saat онлайн отырам дейт. Сиз чындап эле 24 saat отурасызбы?
Молчон.
Балаңыз менен кошо үйдө отурасыз да, ошол үчүн да?
Да.
Okay. Can I ask your name? Because мага бул жерден көрүнбөйт экен да кимдер сүйлөгөнү.
Yeah,
Yes, of course.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Good evening, Nuraim. Nice to meet you, Nuraim. My name is Asel.
Nice to meet you too.
I usually spend about 4 hours online every day. Mostly for studying and social media and watching videos.
Good job. What are you studying? Can I ask you a question?
I am dentist, and I am studying
Improving your skills, right?
Yes.
Good job. I see. Next one. Okay. Do you have something shared to us? If you want, you can tell about yourself.
Days?
No, you can talk about your day, or maybe, I don't know, anything you want to share.
Today I got up 8 o'clock and I go to work 11 o'clock. And afternoon I go to kindergarten.
You went to kindergarten?
Yes. And with my son, I go to home 5 o'clock.
Oh, you went home at 5?
Yes. Now I am preparing dinner.
Oh, okay. What are you going to, or what are you cooking for dinner?
For dinner, I am preparing soup.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Good. Okay, that's good. Maybe if you finished, okay, maybe someone else, Alina, Altanay. Hello. Yes, of course.
So, good evening, guys. Good evening, teacher. And if I tell you about my spend time, I usually spend about, especially study, and mostly for social media, and I know that I'm always sit in internet all my spend time, and that's so bad. So I don't watch my phone when I was training, when I was studying at school, and when I sleep tonight.
So I guess Altınay is talking or Найзабекова on Togus because there's two microphones on. Жакшы болбой жатат. Эмеңиздер микрофонуңуздар катыраак сүйлөсөңүздөр жакшы болот беле дейм да. Кайра башынан айтып бере аласызбы? Катыраак сүйлөп.
So, if I tell you about my spend times, how much time I watch.
Do I spend?
Yes, and I sit in internet all my spend time, and I know that's so bad. It's so bad, and because I always watch my phone, and so I usually spend about studying and social media.
Mostly for studying and social media, you are using your phone, right?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So you are maybe learning something from social media, or I don't know, watching some life hacks. So I think if you are learning something, it's not bad. Эгерде бир нерсени социалдык тармактардан үйрөткөн аткан болсоңуз, бул анчалык деле жаман эмес деп ойлойм да. What are you watching? If it's not secret.
Especially I'm watching motivational videos and
motivational videos.
How become confidence, and so how become.
Well, I guess you can also watch like YouTube videos, the longer one for like 10-15 minutes, and you can also watch it in English, so you will improve your English too with them. It can help you.
So I look the wizard list. It's the girl who tell about the confidence and how we can become a successful girl.
Yeah, I know her too. I actually also watched her a couple of her videos. Кээ бир видеолорду мен дагы көргөм анын. Мага да жагат ал кыз аябай. So if you're watching her in English, it's also good. Like you are doing two things in one. Like эки нерсени бир эметип атасыз да. Эки коёнду бир ок менен атып атасыз деп койсок болот. That's great.
But when I start to watch her videos, I'm always watch her videos in Russian language, and after I understand that it's not positive for me, and I starting watch her videos in English language.
That's great, actually.
So, and today, я снова как идет?
I'm again.
I'm again going to the training for volleyball.
Oh, really? You went, or you are going like азыр барайын деп жатасызбы же барып келдиңизби? Because it's like too late for volleyball, no?
And today I was training three halves time. Halves.
Барып уже кылып келдиңиз ушунун баардыгын, туурабы?
Yes.
Анда өткөн чакты колдоносуз. I trained for 3 hours today. This is болот да. иди мүчөсүн промес этиште туура этиштерге иди мүчөсүн улантабыз го, ошол үчүн train деген болот, тренироваться этем. Ага болсо идини кошкондо trained. I trained for 3 hours. 3 саатка дегенде сааттарды айтканда for 3 hours деп айтсаңыз болот.
So I don't know why, but I'm always forgot it.
Oh, that's okay. I used to forget everything too. That's okay. You will learn everything.
And
So, do you have
and
something
right
else?
now,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, Altanay. Who else wants to talk? Kami, I see your microphone is on. Maybe you want to share with us how much
Yeah,
time
of
do you
course.
spend?
I usually spend about 8 or 9 hours every day, and mostly for studying and watching video and chatting and reading. Yeah, reading.
Oh, what are you
And
reading?
I read online. Yeah, online, and my book, and an application, any book. There was like any levels book, and I can read online. And also I wanna try like a real book. But I don't have a real book, and that's all I should to read online. And also video and films. Last time I spent a lot of mostly a lot of time I spent like watching drama and the Turkish movie and an American movie, and how can I say? And I wanna find like in English and in American video I wanna find movie and series, but I can't find, and I don't like it like characters, maybe another, but maybe if I find I don't understand mostly, and I stop it, but I can watch it cartoons. That's all, and mostly in English I speak in another application and in other countries people, and I can find another friends, very interesting friends, and
Where do you find? Where do you like looking for these friends?
in reeling, and for free for talk they have like this application, and I can speak in like this, and
That's great.
if I spoke 1 or 2 hours in English, I can like easily if I are watching movie or shortly a video, I can understand, but I can't when I speak. I don't remember. But when I speak 1 or 3, maybe more 2 hours, I can easily speak, and I can find any words, and it's very easily. But I can't speak in maybe or 3 or how can I say 1 weeks, but I forget, like I should how can I say I should speak regularly, and that's all.
That's
And my
interesting.
English will be 1 week 4 times, and 3 times will be my own courses, and 1 will be this Okutool courses, and this platform for me like it make me good. My English will be good. Thank you for like this application. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Actually, it's very interesting because I'm like for the first time I'm hearing that мындай нерсени биринчи жолу угуп атам. Аябай кызыктуу болду мага. Чынын айтсам, мүмкүн сиздин кантип айтчу эле? Passive memory'де сөздөрүңүз бар, бирок аларды көргөндө эми колдонбойсуз да. Аны сүйлөгөндө ошолордун баары колдонулат да. Ошондой болот окшойт сизде. Very interesting. Someone else maybe? Gulnur, would you share with us how much time you spend online?
Hello everyone.
Hello, can I can speak?
Yes, of course.
I usually spend about 6 hours.
My name is Rosa.
Wait, Rosa. Gulnur already talking. Like, sorry.
Okay, I can.
Okay.
Yeah, Gulnur, you may continue.
Okay. I usually spend about 7 hours online every day, mostly for studying and chatting.
Okay. Are you chatting on WhatsApp or Telegram? Which one do you prefer? Телеграмды көп колдоносузбу же WhatsApp'ты көп колдоносузбу баарлашуу үчүн? WhatsApp'ты. Okay. Thank you. Now, Rosa, you can tell us how much time do you spend online?
Hello, everyone. My name is Rosa, and my version is I usually spend about full hours every day, mostly for my babies and the cookings. It's all right. It's my versions.
Full time? You mean also 24 hours?
Full day.
All day?
All day, yes.
Okay, I see.
I'm just sitting at home in
in maternity leave.
Yes.
Maternity leave деп айтсаңыздар болот.
That's all.
Okay. So how many kids do you have? How many children do you have?
Hello.
Okay. Who said hello? Hello, Camila?
Yes, it's me.
Okay. Okay, you can introduce you and then answer the question.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
We are good. I hope everyone is good.
Yes. Yeah. How much time do you spend time online? Yeah. Most of time I spend my phone. I'm using. I'm chatting. I am using most of the time only WhatsApp and then Instagram. And then I'm trying to learn English language. Always I am watching English movies sometimes, and then sometimes short movie, you know.
Short videos.
Yes. Short videos, and then I'm trying to learn always. I'm trying myself always learning English language.
So you're watching short videos in English, right?
Yes.
Okay. Your name is Nursherdan, am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Thank you for sharing with us. And maybe someone else want to talk about how much time they are spending online.
Okay.
Yes. Malika, you want to share with us?
Yeah. I usually spend about 16 or 17 hours online every day. And I guess that perhaps it depends on my studying and also because it's university, we're learning a new language, and so that's why I have to use my translator, like translate some words, and so after that studying, I have also online courses. So and after that, I spent most of my time for social medias also, on sitting on Instagram or TikTok, but I think that it has a bad effect on my health, and trying to not use my phone like the mostly. So that's all.
I can relate to you. Same. I also Instagram like зыяны көрүп тийаткандай болот мага дагы ушундай сезилет.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Also, I see G wants to speak. Бул жерде G деген эме менен колду көтөрүп атыпсыздар. Сүйлөп эметсеңиздер болот. Микрофонуңуздарды жандырып.
Can I say?
Yes, of course. Hello.
Hello, guys. Nurayim, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Jika.
Yeah. My name is Jika. I came to my sister's home. I'm here. I'm relaxing here. My sister cook dinner for me. And how much I usually spend about, I don't know how much time I spent my time on Instagram, on Soцсети. I think maybe 3 or 4 days. When I have free time, I use my phone and watch different videos on Instagram or maybe on TikTok. I watch. I try to watch English videos in English. I'm usually watch studying, and sometimes I do shadowing technique. You know.
Yes, I know. That's great.
Yes, and I try to learn English on YouTube in free video.
I see. Yeah. How do you like shadowing? Are you using special YouTube videos, or you are like doing it by yourself, like pause and then talking, pause?
Yeah. I'm doing by myself. I know some link. I don't know how call it, and I do shadowing in there.
Okay. Good luck with this. I really heard that it helps, but I haven't used it yet. I was planning to use this technique.
Yeah, and sometimes I play a game. Call it Duolingo. I like it, Duolingo.
Yes, I also like it because I'm learning German language with this app. It really helps me. Like, it's fun, really.
Yes, I think so. It helps me a lot. Duolingo, maybe.
I'm like, it's good that you are like using this app because many basic rules you can, like, a lot of basic rules you can find there. Базаны болот да.
Yeah. And especially I like doing shadowing. I like doing shadowing. It's because it's improve my pronunciation in English. It helps me pronunciation. Yeah.
It helps you to improve your pronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Maybe we will go to the next slide. Кийинки суроого барып жооп берип баштайлы. Каалоочулар болсо биринчи суроону дагы жооп берип, экинчи суроого да жооп бере берсеңиздер болот. Кийинки суроо бул what social media do you use most? Why and why not? For example, I use Instagram because I like sharing photos. Же болбосо I use TikTok because I like fun and entertaining content деп айтсаңыздар болот да. Кайсыл цифрлык тармакты колдоносуздар жана эмне үчүн?
I used on Instagram and YouTube. I mostly used Instagram and YouTube. It helps me improve my English and to watch videos in English.
Yeah. Okay.
I think Instagram is important to study, to learning English and курстарга баруу үчүнчү.
Instagramда чындап эле азыр баардык нерсени тапса болот. Көп нерсе тапса болот.
Everything we can find on Instagram.
Yes. So thank you, Jika, for your.
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Asalai, maybe you want to talk. Camila, Asalai, let's go.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. My name is Asalai, and first, can I answer to first question?
Yes, of course. Let's go. Yeah.
How much? I usually spend about 5 or more hours online every day, and I know that it is a lot, but I am trying to reduce it. And mostly I use social media for listening to music. I use YouTube to listening to music, and Telegram for my job and study. But I mostly use YouTube while doing something. Anything. For example, I clean the house while listening to music, or while walking, maybe cooking. And next question.
Okay.
Let me change. Okay. What social media do you use most? Why not? Mostly I use YouTube to listen music and watch movies. And I use also Telegram because my job and study are connected with it. And I don't use TikTok because it seems unuseful for me. Because I feel that I can waste my time. That's all.
Yes. Like you are scrolling all the time, right? When you are like opening TikTok, you are scrolling, and then it never stops.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, I see. Thank you for sharing. Maybe Ajamal Urmatbek kızı, do you want to share with us? You can answer to first question too. Biz менен келиңиz сүйлөшүңүз.
Can I?
Yes, of course.
Okay, hello, how are you? Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay. So what social media do you use most? Why not? I use watching stories because I like educational videos.
So you use Instagram or YouTube for educational videos?
Кандай дейсizчи ушул
Бул жерде use дегенде платформаны айтыш керек. Бул жерде мисалы YouTube же TikTok же Instagram, андан кийин because I like educational video деп айтсаңыз болот да. I use YouTube because I like educational video депчи.
Sharing photos, for example, yeah. I use sharing photos because I like educational videos.
Oh,
it's true.
Yeah, it's like kinda маниси жоктой болуп калды да, потому что use деген жака биз эмен коебуз. Приложенияларды. Кандай приложение колдоносуз? Мисалы, Instagram же TikTok же кандайлар бар дагы?
WhatsApp, no? I use WhatsApp, yeah? Okay. Yeah. I use WhatsApp because I like educational videos.
Okay.
Десем болот?
Ооба, болот.
WhatsApp'та стористерде билим берүүчү видеолорду WhatsApp'та сториске sharing photos, educational videos деп коюмбу?
Десеңиз
ушундай. Okay.
Okay, yeah. You want answer to this question? Бул суроого жооп бергиңиз келип жатабы? Бул жака биринчи жака биринчи суроого жооп бергиңиз келип жатабы? Бул бизге буга чейин how much time you spend online деген суроо болгон. Ошого жооп берсеңиз болот. I usually spend 5 hours деп бияка убакытты коесуз. Андан кийин бул жерге бул сөздөрдөн тандап болот.
I usually spend about 2 hours online every day, and mostly for social media and watching videos, chatting.
Okay. Where do you watch what videos? Кайсыл жерден видеолорду көрөсүз? Кайсыл тармактардан? Кандай видеолорду? Кыска short videos or like long videos like 10-15 minutes?
I usually spend about mostly 4 дегенден кийинги.
Mostly 4 дегенден.
Yeah. Mostly 4 is short videos.
Mostly short videos, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Adina.
May I?
Yes, you can.
Name.
So I can see. Yeah, Adelia. Let's start with you.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hi.
Let's get to know each other first. Do you mind?
Yes. Let's get to know. My name is Nuriye.
Because I'm seeing for you for the first time.
Okay. I'm sorry. Кечиресиздер, жаңы кошулгандардын бардыгына анда тааныштырып кетейин өзүмдү дагы бир жолу. Менин атым Нурайым. Мындан ары Окутулдун толкин клубтарын мен алып барып баштайм. Шаршемби күнү өтө турган толкин клубтарды мен алып барып баштайм. Бул жерде менин камерам дагы бир неудобно көрүнүп туруш керек. Мен мое лицо, мен детим, my face. So I am student. I'm studying at 5th grade. I'm graduating this year. I'm graduating this year. So now I'm writing my thesis. Дипломдук ишимди жазып жатамын. Жана бул жерден стажировка өтүп жатам. So Adele, you can tell us about yourself.
Can I tell you a little about myself?
Yes.
My name is Adela. I study in the 8th grade. And my hobbies, yes, my hobbies is watching dramas, and I like to playing volleyball.
Wow. You are a third girl who likes to play volleyball in this chat. Үчүнчү кызсыз бул жерден волейболду ойногон жакшы көрөм деп айткан. Watching дагы эки курбулар бар, ойнойт. So, are you from Ысыккөл?
No, I am from Batken.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, something else? Okay, you can answer to this question. What social media do you use most? Why and why not?
Can I?
I use YouTube and Instagram and Google because I like Google. I like to Google to
stay updated.
Cartoons, это мультики.
Oh, what cartoons?
Cartoons from Google to improve my English. Improve
your English. Okay.
And Instagram. I see Instagram because I like sharing photos.
Sharing photos.
Watching stories. And that's all.
That's all. Okay. Thank you.
Can I?
Yes, of course you can. What is your name?
Я? Вы мне говорите?
Да, yeah, because бул жерде кээ бирлердин көп 3-4 кишинин микрофону кошуп тур, ошол үчүн атыңыздарды биринчи айтып, анан кийин эметип баштасаңыздар болот.
Hello, my name is Camila.
Oh, okay, I see. Camila, yeah.
I want to tell about my social medias that I use most. There are 3 or 4 social medias I use most. There are YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and ChatGPT.
Okay.
Everyone knows about ChatGPT.
Yes.
At first, I use Instagram because there we can find funny videos and see famous and watching famous stories. And also we can find educational videos.
Yes.
The second, I use TikTok because I like many funny videos. Also, we can find their educational videos and sharing our videos and sharing our trends or dance.
Okay.
Third, YouTube. I use YouTube because there we can find anything videos.
Any kind of videos, right?
There are many interesting videos. We can find films, cartoons, also English classes.
Yes, there are a lot of them.
The first about ChatGPT, I use ChatGPT my как сказать?
Кыргызча айтарыңыз, чогуу отурабыз.
Мен билбей калганда ChatGPT'ни колдонуп.
Oh, you are using ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to know things that I don't know the things.
Yes. ChatGPT always helps me
Yes.
when I ask many interesting news.
Facts also, yes.
Yes, about health.
Health. Денсаулык деп
About
келди.
health.
Денсаулык деген болсо анда health деп айтасыз.
Health.
Yes.
That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Camila. Yes, you may. Abdurazak,
Hello,
right?
guys. Hello, guys. My name is Salima. I'm 11th grade. I usually spend about 5 or 6 hours online every day because I'm study online education. Mostly for watching videos and chatting. Now I don't use Instagram because Instagram blocked me recently, so I stopped using it. I think it is a good thing because it doesn't waste any time anymore. Also, I use YouTube and ChatGPT. In YouTube, I watch educational videos or MS, etc.
That's great. And for what are you using ChatGPT? Also for interesting facts?
In ChatGPT, we are ready to SRT.
SAT? Сеткилерден отурду.
Or exam.
For exam. Okay. That's great.
And
Thank you for sharing.
ChatGPT is my teacher learning English.
Oh, that's also a good idea. Жакшы колдонуп жаткан экенсиз. ChatGPT really helps with this. It's like it helps with a lot of things. Okay, thank you. Who else wants to share?
May I?
Yes, of course. Altanay, is it you?
Yes.
Okay.
And
go on.
So, еще раз, good evening. My name is Altanay, and I'm 16 years old. And right now, I want to give you answer for this question. And I always use Instagram, YouTube, and Telegram, and WhatsApp for message, and ChatGPT. And so I use YouTube for watch videos, what I need for my life, how I can улучшить,
Improve?
Как?
Улучшить деген improve?
Yes. How I can improve my life, how I can learn English, how I can learn also like Korean language. It's all. And so I use Instagram for addiction videos and also watching stories and sharing photos and all, and to message with my friends.
Okay.
And so
I see.
So I use ChatGPT for the more. So ChatGPT always solve my problems.
Problems?
So yes, because
what kind of problems?
For example, he always give me советы.
Advices.
advices for how I can solve my problem. And so he always create my plan for my future, and I'm always work with him. And I think ChatGPT become the very important apps in our phone.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, ChatGPT is a really smart app. I don't know who can create this app. So,
Yes, but I'm kind of afraid of ChatGPT because it's like, I don't know, he knows, it knows a lot of things. It scares me. Thank you for sharing, Altınay. Altınay, yeah, Altınay. Let's go on.
Can I?
Yes, you can. Biz дагы бир 10 мүнөттөй отура алабыз. Андан кийин сабакты бүтүргөнгө убакыт келип калды го дейм. 10 мүнөттөн кийин метебиз.
May I?
Yes, of course. Sorry. Yeah.
May I, Nurayja?
Yes, Malika.
I use mostly Facebook.
I use Instagram because
I use Instagram and YouTube because very useful, and I watch in YouTube. I watch English podcasts and famous people podcast.
Famous people's
videos. Yeah. That's all.
Okay. Peri, is it you?
May I come?
Peri сүйлөп жатабы?
Жоқ.
I think that it's Eliza.
Eliza.
Okay. Eliza, I hope you are okay.
And hello, Tom.
Yes, okay. I have getting safe. Get well soon.
Thank you.
Okay, next, maybe Peri, you want to share with us?
Yes, hello, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Peri. I am 30.
You are 30 years old?
Yes.
Okay.
What social media do you use most? Why not? I use Zoom because I like educational courses. I use WhatsApp because I like watching stories and sharing photos.
So you are using Zoom and WhatsApp mostly?
Yes.
Okay. I see. Thank you for sharing. So Malika wants to talk, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So most of social medias that I use are Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp. So I use Instagram for sharing some photos, watching stories, and posting some photos, videos on my stories, and also chatting. I use Telegram for education, for courses, and also I use ChatGPT. Actually, I use it for for some facts, for things that I don't know, to know them. And also, honestly, I use it for when I don't have any time to do my homeworks. I use that when I don't have any time, and also when I have to write some compositions. I ChatGPT really helps me for honestly, and I can say that ChatGPT or one of the best friend, my friend.
Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you for sharing. Жана бул жерден дагы айтып коеюн дегем, жаңы кирген көп кишилердин микрофондорун кошо албай койдум. Бул жерден кызыл болуп туруп турат. Эмеге сүйлөгөнгө мүмкүнчүлүк берүү дегенди бассам дагы иштебей жатат. Алардын ичинде Советбек кызы, Толкун, Айдана, Аделя кирип чыккан окшойт, тоже болбой калды. Анан дагы көптөн бери стади деп жазылып турат. Зада, Минюра, Айжан, Айбек, Азам дейт. Дагы Дайырбек дегенди көргөм. Бул жерден Сампо дейт. Ак жүрөкчөлөр, көп кишилердики иштебей атат да. Сиздер настройкиден карап көрүңүздөр, өзүңүздөрдүн эмеңиздерди эмнеге иштебей жатканын карап көрүш керек экен. Бассам дагы болбой жатат да. Айжамал Нурматбек кызы, мүмкүн сиз сүйлөп бересиз бизге. What can you just use most? Фатима тоже, да, не получается. Хорошо.
Нуриза.
So, Nuriza, sorry, please wait. Айжамал сүйлөйүн дегенде. Аласыз да? Thank you. Айжамал, you may go on.
I use Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and TV.
Жакшы угулбай жатат, катуураак сүйлөйсүзбү?
Эмнече?
Телефон өзүнөн окшойт, анда жайыраак угулат, айта макул.
Because I like in Instagram watching stories and fun and interesting content, educational videos. In Telegram, I study Arabic language.
Wow, that's great. Arab тили кыйын деп уккан болчумун. Is it true?
No, это легко.
Okay. So, жакшы угулбай калды.
And in TV, I watching Turkish series.
Okay.
And the American series.
Okay, thank you for sharing with us. I also like to watch Turkish series. Thank you. So, Nuriza, you may talk.
Hello everyone, I'm Nuriza. I usually spend about 3 or 2 hours online every day, mostly for watching videos about studying.
About studying.
Yeah, I usually watch videos about improving English and motivational videos. I usually I use Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and sometimes TikTok.
Okay.
Because I like to watch short videos about improving English.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you for sharing. Your English is good. Next one, maybe who wants stay деген микрофонуңуз иштеп калыптыр. Stay анан кызыл жүрөкчө менен атыңызды айтып эметсеңиз болот, суроо жооп берсеңиз болот. Okay, бош эмес болуп аткан чыгар. Maybe who wants to talk? Азыр микрофонуңуздарды кошуп, да 5 мүнөттүн ичинде сүйлөшөйлү, андан кийин эметейли. Гүлназ, maybe you want? Гүлназ кадайт. Окей. Бул жерден көбүнчөлөр сүйлөптүр. If you want to share something, we can like talk 5 minutes and then finish our lesson.
Okay. What social media do you use most? Why not? I social media. I used mostly Instagram and TikTok, and sometimes WhatsApp, and also in Telegram. In Telegram, I mostly studying and listening music, and Vika also I using. There's I watching some cartoons and anime and drama I watched, and I using WhatsApp sometimes, like mothers like chatting, sisters chatting like this, only like this. And, also Duolingo I using. It's also social media or not?
Duolingo is not social media, I guess. It's like app to learn English, to learn languages. So, but you can add this too, like.
Okay, and also YouTube I watched, and mostly in YouTube I listening podcast and learning my how can I say studying myself like my courses like programming, CSS, HTML, like anything else, and
Okay.
how can
Okay.
I say
You study for, you learn how to program,
yeah.
Just okay. Программалоо деген кандай болот экенин аччы билбейт экенм, чынын айтсам.
Yeah, we just programming I said, and why not? Yeah, why not?
Yes.
If we using like social media, we using like useful, it will be for us helping, and if we don't using like not useful, unuseful,
Unuseful. Not useful desеңиз болот го.
Not useful, it will be like we will like outburning, like like stressing,
Burnout, yes.
Burnout, yeah. And if we will sitting in social media, it's our healthy, it will be done good, I think. And for example, I using today social media, it's less time, and I do a lot of works, and I think I do a lot of working today, and my homework, like, and my coding, and for another, how can I say, chores, yeah, in housework, choresing.
Yes, houseworks or like just chores.
Yeah, chores, and I do everything. You know, I can do. And before I just in media, I just chilling like in my bed, like watching like
Scrolling,
right? Anything else. And when I watching like this, sitting in social media, my mostly days it will be like trash will be, and if I use like usefully, This will be helping for me.
Yeah, it will be it's helpful, right?
Helpful, yeah, helpful.
Okay, thank you, Kami, for sharing with us. Сабактын аягында аябай көп жаңы кишилер кошулуптур. Барыңыздарга салам. Менин атым Нурайым. Мен Окутулдун жаңы Окутулда стажермун. Андан кийин толкинг клубтарды мындан ары мен алып барамын. Кийинки сабакта барыңыздар менен сүйлөшүп алабыз деп айтам. Ойлоймун, кененирээк сүйлөшүп алабыз деп. Көбүнчөлөрдү микрофону кошулбай койду бул жерде. Кызыл болуп күйүп турат менде. Эмнегедир может силер настройкадан карап көрөсүздөр, бир сыйра эмени разрешение берип андай бардыгы сүйлөдү деп ойлойм. Микрофон кошулгандарга мүмкүнчүлүк бердим. So, yeah, Kami, you want to add something?
Yeah, I wanna give some tips. Yeah, I can, yeah?
Yes, of course you can share.
And I wanna saying, can we talk, how can I say, like live 1 week, we can talking like, how can I say, 1 week, can we talk 2 times?
In 1 week 2 times? So I'm not sure because мен жана аны стажермун, ошондуктан билбейм, бирок бунун үстүнөн иштеп жатышат го деп ойлоймун. Азыр просто дагы стажерлор алса мүмкүн иштешет. Так айта албайм да. So I guess you can talk like, I don't know, maybe you can do some. Бул жерде жазган кишилерге байланышып ошолор менен сүйлөшсөңүз болот го деп ойлойм да. Мурда мына жерде айткандай, можете группа түзүп алсаңыздар болот, өзүңүздөр бул жактан кишилерге жазып, мисалы комментарийлерде калтырат го, ошол жакка эле кирип, кишинин профилине кирип эле hello, I want to practice my English деп тура сүйлөшүп баштасаңыздар болот го дейм. Же болбосо атайын приложениялар бар. Будан тышкары тандем дегенди билем. Мен курбуларым колдонушат, ошону эметсеңиздер болот го деп ойлойм да. It also can help you. Бирок Окутулдукун болобу, болбойбу, так азырынча жок. Эгерде боло турган болсо, бардык социалдык тармактардан we will share about this information. Бул информация боюнча бөлүшөбүз. Анда эмесе чоң рахмат барыңыздарга, катышканыңыздарга. Аябай кубанычтамын. Сиздер менен дагы бир жолу сүйлөшкөнүмө аябай жагып жатат мага сиздер менен ушинтип баарлашкан. See you next weekend and thank you for your sharing with your opinion, with your everything. I like it. Эгерде кааласаңыздар, Телеграмдагы акыркы посттун ылдыйына комментарий кылып жазып койсоңуздар болот. Өзүңүздөрдүн эмеңиздерди, сүйлөмдөрүңүздөрдү ошол жактан окуйбуз дагы. So bye everyone.
So bye.
Thank you for your lesson.
For this lesson. I appreciate you and good luck for your diplom защита, yeah?
Yes. Thesis. Yes. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.